Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up a Stripe customer portal link. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page of your Stripe account. From here, navigate to the billing section in the left-hand sidebar. Under the billing section, click on subscriptions, which will open a page showing all subscription-related options. Here, click on three dots option beside create subscription button and select customer portal from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the customer portal setup page. Here you'll see various configuration options. Here, click on Activate Link. You'll now be able to view and manage your customer portal link directly. The link should appear on this page. Simply click Copy to copy it to your clipboard. You can now share this link with your customers via email, invoices, or embed it directly into your website or support pages. This makes it much easier for them to handle their subscriptions independently. If you want to customize your portal, go to Settings within the same section. Here you can configure additional options like showing invoices, allowing plan upgrades or downgrades, and enabling payment method changes. Once you're done, make sure to click Save Changes so that all your updates are applied successfully, and that's it. So that is how you can set up a Stripe customer portal link. So that's all for this video. Thanks.